You guys, today I'm gonna be making a Fortnite video. Isaac, please be nice in the comment section. Oh, dang it. Perfect. My edits might be good, but when I get into fights, nah, then I'm good. I'm not just sound. Yo, everyone is just rolling, bro. Yo, like you see, bro. I cracked him, he kills me. What is that, bro? Hey, yo. Hey, it's my turn. GG, turn. You guys are about to watch me play some Battle Royale or Reload, I don't know. Look at that right there. Look at that. That is my loading screen. Because I'm ship only I'm insane at work. Only up. Oh yeah. Bro. Bro, I'm starving. If you guys wanna see the weather, it is like this right now. Today is 2025. It is June
and I don't know the date. Hold on. Hey, I'm gonna take my horse to a top of the I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the hot tub. What are those? Bro. Ah. Ow! Camera almost fell. Only half. Where must I stop? See. How do I? How must I miss? But where must I? Oh yeah. No, bro. No. Finally. Yeah. No! Ah! I'm keyboard, by the way. Oh my god, this thing is impossible. I'm done. Bye guys! I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, hit the notification, smash that notification bell, comment how you think this video was, and I will upload it more on YouTube.